Na afloop van die Suid-Afrikaanse Ope vir gestremdes op Langebaan, het bekendes soos die supersport aanbieder Arnold Geerts en luitenant-generaal Arno Lamour, Wes-Kaapse polisiekommissaris, donderdag kragte gemeet met van die land se topgestremde golfspelers. Ons het die aksie op kamera vasgelê.
Beautiful Langebaan golf course, and just if you come a little bit over on the far right there, the man in the red jersey is the editor of Golf Digest magazine. Next to him, Andrew Callis from Adidas, and then Moetu Tiabalika is our disabled player. But right now, the way we're playing, you wouldn't know who's who, to be honest.
I think for me it's important to support people living with disabilities, firstly, and secondly, to play a round of golf with them. I mean, from SAP's side, we support all members living with disabilities and all people living with disabilities.
And how does it feel being here today?
Well, it's excellent and it's amazing, and it makes us humble to see how these members of these people can live with their disabilities.
Geerts het heel skaflik vertoon. Maar Lamour het nie te waffers gevaar nie.